In this video I'm going to show you how to make an ebook cover using two free platforms. The first one is Canva. You can open a free account at canva.com. Once you've done that, it only takes a minute, you can come to you're in your home page, look for book covers or ebook covers, choose any one you like. You've got plenty to choose from. I'm going to pick this one because we are thinking outside the box. You just click in there and put your title in. We'll go for the super simple system. And then you change the author, Ed Kirwan, and then your subtitle. Just highlight it. Write in what you like, of course. Okay, this is just a mock-up, so we'll just do that. Download it. You can use JPEG or PNG, smaller image, but it doesn't really matter for the purpose of this. We'll download that and save it to our desktop. Okay, that's stage one. Easy peasy. The next place we go to is Adazing, where they've got it's a cover mocks, free ebook cover creator, less than 10 seconds. Choose the file. There it is. Click that. And there we are. Simple. Okay. There are other things you can get. And then you can choose, you've got three different styles here. So if we just take the first one, you get an image for a tablet and hardcover and also a spiral bound cover. Okay, that's it, job done. Okay, so that's how you make your report cover. Now it's down to you. Go ahead and do that, save it, and in the next lesson we'll be talking about, I'll be showing you how to put it all together on your landing page. Okay? I'm Ed Kirwan. I'll see you in the next video.